Today is Save Yourself Sunday, where we talk about how to get you out of debt, how to save, invest, and grow your money. Today, I'm going to teach you the number one thing you can invest your precious time into so that you get the most in return for your time during your stripping or sex work career. And that is, drumroll please, to find whales. And when you find that whale, when you find a big spender, to keep in touch with him. And I mean it. This will change your life. Think about it. You could keep hustling $20 dances all night or find the one guy that will happily drop $1,000 on you. That one person could change the rest of your life if you keep in touch with him. Otherwise, he'll just change your night or your week or maybe your month. But if you don't keep in touch with him, he's gone from your life forever. My Asian angel, which a few of you have heard me talk about, my first night spent $900 on me. Second night, $900. Third, $600. Fourth, $400, but I didn't dance, I just talked with him. And on that time, he asked me if he could see me outside there. Everyone knows how that goes. If you just go to dinner with them, you take your relationship to a different level, and it's not probably in your best interest. So I asked him to take me shopping. He probably spent almost $2,000. The next time he took me shopping, he spent over $5,000 on a necklace for me at Tiffany's. He was a whale. And I want you to know, I used to have such a hard time just picking up the phone when he would call. Even though he spent so much money on me, I just didn't want to get on the phone. But I did. I kept in touch with him, and I kept that relationship going, even though it was hard for me to do. And he's truly done so much for me, I could never explain how thankful I am for him. For a while, I actually truly considered him my best friend. I remember calling him like 3 o'clock in the morning one night when I was in LA and I was in a super fucked up situation. He got up and came and got me immediately. No problem. And I knew he would. He's always there for me. Even still, I know he'll always be there for me. I don't know how to describe how grateful I am for him. And I almost let him go multiple times. Just like that, just because I didn't feel like keeping in touch with him. And I know the same can be said for a lot of us. I've let go of other people that I strongly regret letting go, but you don't think about it at the time. At the time, it's just another guy. It's just another customer. He's not just another customer. He's special. If someone will drop $500 on you in a night, this is someone you need to take special care of because, and I don't mean in a dirty way, but you need to pay special attention to because he can change the rest of your life. A very few percentage of men that walk into your life will not only be willing, but will want to improve your whole life. Don't be lazy and let them go. That could be one of the worst mistakes you ever make. When it comes to money at least, or your just life in general. You might not realize it at the time, but they truly could make your entire life so much better, so much easier, so much more comfortable, and so much more carefree, and just upgrade you all the way around. I've lost and broken cell phones, and they were instantly replaced by this man. Needed a new computer? It was mine. Cell phone bill? Don't worry about it ever again. When someone spends a lot of money on you, I need you to realize, seriously, fully understand this. These are the top percentage of people out there. How many minnows do you think it would take to equal a whale? I honestly don't think you or I could probably count that many. When you find a whale, recognize it. You could go back to the fish tank and keep on going for minnows, or you could find that one that changes your life. Find the whales and build relationships with them. And I'm not saying to have sex with them. In a lot of cases, sleeping with your customers is the fastest way to lose them. But build a relationship with them. If they ask to see you outside the club, this is another topic. But I would not do it unless they're taking you shopping or compensating you for your time. Don't go from them spending hundreds on you at the club to an $80 dinner. That's not okay. that's highly not valuing your time. That's taking a huge step in the wrong direction, unless you actually are trying to date this person. If you're truly considering dating them, then I suppose, but honestly, I'd still tell them you have a very busy life. You're working towards your goals, you try to stay very productive, and you would honestly love to see them outside of work. And ask if they would compensate you for your time. Tell them that way you can get to know them, and you'll be able to truly enjoy every moment with them, because you'll know that you're still being productive and you're having a great time with them. Find the whales. They will change your life. Think about it. To make $1,000 doing $20 dances, you would have to approach 50 different guys, go through 50 different conversations, go through 50 different sales pitches that they all actually said yes to get the same amount of money that you could get from one man. Find the whales and keep in touch with them. Keep in touch with them. We'll all meet whales at one point or another. Be the girl that goes the extra mile, that makes them feel special, that makes them feel that you value their time. Pay special attention to him, because he is not like the other guys for real. He is special. Someone that will give a girl $500 for her time is someone that is special and should be treated that way. The number one way that I personally know of that you can recognize the potential in somebody being a whale is if they're a business owner, an investor, or they're in technology. Oftentimes, these type of people don't have a ceiling on their money like pretty much everyone else does. So if he owns his own business, is into real estate, is an investor, or invests in startups, or invests in anything, or he's a tech geek, there is a ton of money in technology right now. I've met a lot of internet marketers with crazy money. And these are people you would not suspect. These are the people that'll come in the club in flip-flops and a t-shirt and a backwards hat that you would just not think had money, but they do. I've met coders and spammers making millions of dollars. I would stick with these as a baseline for if you meet somebody with one of these types of jobs, he could really be something special for you. If you find someone with one of those jobs, start to ask more questions about their business. Take a genuine interest in who they are and what they do. I'm not saying don't spend your time with people that don't have these jobs, because a construction worker could come in and could give you his whole paycheck. But I'm talking long term here. The guys that can seriously change your life. This year, make them a priority. Make them feel special and expect your income to go up this year. I would love to hear from you about this. What do you think about this episode? Did it help you? Do you have customers that play a big role in your life? I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Stay positive. We'll talk soon.